How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to Syracuse Aviation, and welcome back to another model aircraft unboxing. Today I have a box from Redriveraviation, who you guys probably know at this point. He's one of our aviation YouTubers. Was able to work a deal out with him to get a model aircraft. This is the NG model Southwest 737-800 in the Heart livery, November 8686 Alpha. Now they did just release this aircraft, a different registration. I can't remember what it is, but I will be getting that one most likely, so I can just have two of these. But this is one I've been wanting to get for a long time, just because I never had a generic livery 737-800 for Southwest, and we finally were able to do that. So huge thank you to Redriveraviation. I'll put a card in the video and a link in the description for you guys to go check them out. Please do. He deserves a lot of support for this. So we'll get into the box here. You guys may have seen my most recent video. I'm assuming that this video is coming up after I did a previous unboxing, which would have been the Herart here, California, or New York livery, that explains this. Literally filming these the same day as each other, so it's gone all week and it feels good to come back, but it's also bittersweet, so the models kind of make up for that, I guess, in a sense. So getting into this here, I don't remember when this was released. I think it was maybe 2 years ago at this point or so, maybe more, which is just crazy. Oopsie. All right. A little slip of paper. Thank you so much, buddy. Hope you enjoy. Connor, Red River Aviation. Thank you, kind sir. This is quite a amazing opportunity to be able to have this. Finally. So here it is. Well, inside the paper, of course. Wow. Forgot how good the box art was on this one. It's looking really, really good. It's crazy to be able to have this. I didn't think I'd ever get this, to be honest. This is a really, you're pretty lucky if you have this one. And it's not necessarily that it's rare, it's just such a high demand model that people who have it don't want to get rid of it. So here we go. Wow. Alright, I apologize for not being in frame, but here it is. This thing is... Wow. Whoa. Okay. NG, y'all killed this one. This is beautiful. Oh, wow. It's been a long time of just waiting and begging for a generic 737-800, and here it is. Of course, you got your double antennas back there. Stabilizer's looking nice. Wow. Your splits. This thing's beautiful. So I think that he had 3 of these, and this is one of those 3, so now he's down to 2, 8686 Alpha, I believe. Once again, that's the registration. So I think he has 2 of these now. It feels really good to have one of these. It's a really nice model. Just absolutely gorgeous. Can't really say much more. I guess I'll try to get some close-up shots of this beaut. So I highly recommend picking this up if you can find it for a good deal. Once again, I know that NG just re-released this with a different registration, so get that one if you so desire. But this one is still a great addition as well. So yeah, this is really nice. Once again, a huge thank you to Red River Aviation. I'll put a card in the video and a link in the description, as I said, so go check him out. He definitely deserves it. So yeah, there's, again, my energy level, I'm not feeling so great right now. Sickness, am I right? So there we go. I feel like I'm missing something. Like, I feel like these videos are going shorter than they used to, so I don't know. I felt that way with the oh my goodness, the Her Art Here New York livery. So, anyways, I'm trying my best. So, yeah, wow. It's really great to have this. So, once again, I want to thank you guys for watching. I think I may have thanked you already. I can't remember at this point. So, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave me a comment below. Please consider subscribing to the channel as well. I would greatly appreciate that. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.